How to book an appointment at the USF Speaking Center on a desktop and mobile app. On a desktop, log in to your My USF, select Student Services at the top toolbar, and scroll down to the Learning, Writing, and Speaking Centers. From there, you'll be redirected to the Learning, Writing, and Speaking Centers page, where you can select Make a Tutoring Appointment under Quick Links. Choose Request an Appointment on your appointment dashboard. Choose Learning, Writing, and Speaking Centers. Select Speaking Center. Choose your date and time that works best for you. Select and fill in required information. Confirm your appointment. How to book on the USF mobile app. Launch the USF mobile application. Choose the book icon at the top of the page. Choose CASA LWSC appointments. Request an appointment. Again, choose the Learning, Writing, and Speaking Centers. Select Speaking Center. Again, choose your day and time that works best for you. Fill in the required information in the boxes provided. Request an appointment. We look forward to seeing you at the Speaking Center soon.